today I have come with Kali Kannada second standard.
The first main ಚಿತ್ರ ನೋಡಿ ಪದ ಹೊಂದಿಸಲು ತಿಳಿಸಿ. Match the words with the picture. So this is the picture where it matches with garagasa. And the second one mara. Third one uraga. Fourth one nagara. This is handsaw, tree and snake, city. And the next main ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರುವ ಅಕ್ಷರಗಳ ಸಹಾಯದಿಂದ ಪದ ರಚಿಸಿ ಚೌಕದಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೆಯಲು ತಿಳಿಸಿ. Few letters are given here. Using these letters you need to form a word and write in the boxes. So first word
Rasa.
second one
Maga.
and this
Arasa.
this one
Sara.
and the next one
Dara. Please see my other videos for more words. Thank you.